Hi, my name is Sundar. I'm excited to apply for the position of the Enterprise Architect Cloud and Security. I believe the job description detailed is in line with my experience and interest. I carry 22 years of experience doing pre-sales and solution architecture and delivery roles across various companies. Starting from 2002, I've worked in companies like Dell, EMC Data Storage Systems, which is now part of Dell Technologies, HP, Microsoft, Hitachi Vantara, and recently with Oracle. I've started my career architecting solutions around on-premise IT infrastructure, primarily around x86 servers, Unix-based servers, storage systems, networking, and security to a certain extent, I would say. I was involved in many large projects where I was architecting solutions around multi-site storage systems, high-performance storage systems, HPC storage systems, data replication, data protection using various backup tools, implementing DRPC strategies, and also ensuring that data is stored, accessed, protected, and also managed throughout the life cycle. I've designed many solutions for companies in this area for multiple industries like retail, manufacturing, banking, government, energy sector. So there are many industries that I've worked. Primarily these companies were in India, but I've also supported designing architecture for infrastructure solutions for customers in US. This was while I was at Hitachi Vantara, where I used to work with global system integrators like TCS and Wipro, and I was supporting the architecture designs for their customers in US. And some of the customers are Standard & Poor, S&P, Takeda, which is a pharma company, US Foods, which is a food distributor. So these are some of the companies for which I have designed high enterprise class storage solutions. My exposure to cloud started after my with my job at Microsoft. So in Microsoft, I used to be Azure cloud consultant. I used to work with customers, understand their requirements, gather requirements using manual as well as tool-based assessments, and create architectures in order to leverage cloud to reduce the footprint of the data center, which involved lift and shift or maybe refactoring, replatforming of their applications. I do the feasibility and the validation for enterprise applications, and I've also helped them migrate to Microsoft Azure. I've done for many customers. I've also implemented various solutions across Azure, which is to do with not just computer storage, but also solutions around IoT, solutions around analytics. These are some of the solutions that were implemented using Azure technologies for many customers. One of the large implementation that I've done was a large-scale migration of over 70 plus applications from on-premise to Azure, and this was for KPMG in India. And it was a project that where the architecture was designed and conceived by me, and it was validated by their global teams, and from the and the whole project was completed in a matter of 3 months. I'm certified on Microsoft Azure at the foundation level, AWS as a cloud practitioner, and recently I've also taken certification on OCI, and that was because of my recent job at Oracle, where I was a OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Solutions Consultant. I also was responsible for Oracle Integration Cloud architecture as well. So I used to consult for various customers around OCI as well as OIC. Now, specifically on OCI, I have helped customers evaluate their current cloud maturity, current cloud capabilities, cost, and then position various designs that will help them to increase their performance, reduce cost, and help them architect new solutions on OCI and help them to move some of the workloads, if not all, from an existing cloud to OCI. I've also helped customers evaluate their AI strategy and recommended AI-based infrastructure as well as AI-based models, LLMs, and data models to obviously leverage AI for their business processes. These are some of the things that I've done in Oracle. What I really feel about this job is that if given an opportunity, I can not only design, look at the current design, redesign from an optimization perspective and cost reduction perspective, but I can also suggest new services in order to transform current business processes or new business processes. So I can think from a perspective of a consultant as well, not just to architecting as well as to an extent, hands-on implementation as well. I can also think on behalf of the business to see what processes I can improve. So that's a gist about, why I think I will be suited for this particular role, and I'll be happy to hear your feedback. Thank you.